Next topic is Swaraj in the plantation. Workers too had their own understanding of Mahatma Gandhi and the notion of Swaraj. So the workers who were working in the agriculture field, they too understand the ideas and different objectives of Mahatma Gandhi and about the Swaraj. For plantation workers in Assam, freedom meant the right to move freely in and out of the confined space in which they were enclosed, and it meant retaining a link with the village from which they had come. So, for the plantation workers, for them, the freedom is to move freely in and out of that particular agriculture field, and they can have a link with the village from which they had come. Under the Inland Immigration Act of 1859, remember this act and the year when it took place, plantation workers were not permitted to leave the tea gardens without permission, and in fact, they were rarely given such permission. So, according to the Inland Immigration Act of 1859, the British government had made a law for the plantation workers not to leave their tea garden without their permission, and if they do so, they were given some punishment, and in fact they were rarely given such permission, because if there is any extreme situation, if they are not feeling well or so on, then they were allowed to leave the tea gardens. When they heard of the non-cooperation movement, thousands of workers defied the authorities, left the plantation and headed home. So when they heard about the non-cooperation movement, which was led by the Mahatma Gandhi, they thousands of the workers, they talked to the authorities and left the tea garden and went to their respective home. They believed that Gandhi Raj was coming and everyone would be given land in their own villages. So the plantation workers, what they believe that now there will be Gandhi Raj, and when there will be a Gandhi Raj, all the people or all the plantation workers will have their will be given their land in their own villages. They, however, not reach their destination. Stranded on the way by the railway and steamer strike, they were caught by police and brutally beaten up. So when they started revolting against the British government, finally they were stopped in the railway and the steam strike, and finally the police or the British government, they had beaten the plantation workers very badly.